Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating companies in the automation and AI world. While most people talk about AI models and neural networks, UiPath focuses on something just as powerful: automating the tasks that drive businesses every single day. From simple workflows to complex enterprise systems, UiPath's technology helps companies work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. This is a story of a company that went from a small startup in Eastern Europe to one of the leaders of the global automation revolution. So, let's take a closer look at what UiPath is building, how it makes money, and why it's such a key player in the AI era. UiPath was founded back in 2005 in Bucharest, Romania, by Daniel Dines and Marius Terza. It began as a small team experimenting with ways to make computers handle repetitive tasks for humans. Over time, that small idea evolved into a major innovation: software robots that can simulate human actions on a screen. Today, UiPath's global headquarters are in New York City, led by CEO Rob Enslin. The company now employs over 3,800 people and has a market capitalization of around $10 billion as of 2025. What started as a regional startup has become a worldwide software powerhouse, serving thousands of enterprise clients. Their mission is simple but ambitious: to make work more human by giving repetitive work to robots. So, what exactly does UiPath do? At its core, UiPath builds software robots, digital workers that automate the repetitive and rule-based tasks that humans do on computers. These bots can log into systems, move data, send emails, generate reports, or even interact with customers. This technology is known as Robotic Process Automation, or RPA. But UiPath has gone far beyond basic automation. Their AI-powered document understanding allows these bots to read, interpret, and make decisions based on complex data. They've also built Studio X, a platform that lets even non-technical users create automations with drag-and-drop simplicity. And with integrations across Microsoft, Google, AWS, and SAP, UiPath's ecosystem fits seamlessly into the modern enterprise stack. Now, let's talk about the business model: how UiPath actually makes money. The company follows a subscription-based software-as-a-service model, also known as SaaS. Customers pay annually or monthly to access UiPath's platform, scaling up their subscriptions as they add more bots and users. This creates a predictable and recurring revenue stream that grows as clients expand their automation programs. UiPath also generates income from its cloud automation services, AI analytics, and professional consulting, training teams, optimizing processes, and building custom automations. It's a scalable and high-margin model, one that allows UiPath to grow with each customer it serves. The automation market is booming, and UiPath is right in the middle of it. By 2025, the global automation and RPA industry is expected to exceed $30 billion, growing at more than 20% per year. Every sector, from finance and healthcare to logistics, manufacturing, and IT, is turning to automation to reduce costs and improve efficiency. We're entering a world where AI and automation are merging, creating what many call autonomous enterprises. That means systems capable of running themselves with minimal human input. And UiPath's tools are the foundation for that shift, bridging human decision-making with AI-powered execution. It's one of the biggest technology transformations of our time, and UiPath is positioned to lead it. Of course, UiPath isn't alone in this race. It competes with Automation Anywhere and Blue Prism, which also build RPA tools. In workflow automation, it faces ServiceNow and Microsoft Power Automate, both of which are rapidly expanding their AI capabilities. And in the integration and data orchestration space, rivals like MuleSoft and Workato are also fighting for market share. What gives UiPath a competitive edge is its scale, community, and open platform. It has one of the largest developer ecosystems in enterprise software, and its marketplace of pre-built automation components makes it easy for businesses to start fast. That openness and flexibility are major reasons why so many enterprises choose UiPath over closed, proprietary systems. Now, let's look at the numbers. In fiscal year 2025, UiPath reported about $1.5 billion in revenue, an 18% increase year over year. That's impressive growth for a company that operates primarily in the enterprise software space. Its gross margins sit at roughly 83%, reflecting the profitability of the SaaS model. UiPath also has around $1.8 billion in cash and minimal debt, giving it a strong balance sheet and room to invest. Management has made it clear that the next phase of growth will focus on profitability and cash flow, not just expansion. That's a positive sign for long-term investors looking for stability and discipline. Several recent developments have boosted investor confidence in UiPath. First, the company announced a partnership with Microsoft Azure AI, combining UiPath's automation expertise with Microsoft's cloud-based intelligence tools. This partnership opens the door to deeper enterprise integrations and makes automation more accessible to Azure's global user base. Second, UiPath introduced AI copilots inside its Studio platform, intelligent assistants that help users build automations faster. Third, cloud adoption is accelerating as more companies migrate to UiPath's Automation Cloud. And finally, UiPath's focus on operational efficiency and positive cash flow shows it's maturing as a business. These catalysts together point to a company that's adapting fast and building strength in a competitive landscape. Now, no company is without challenges. UiPath faces strong competition from both specialized automation providers and big tech players entering the space. Enterprise spending can be volatile. When the economy slows, automation budgets often tighten. The company also relies heavily on a few large customers, meaning losing one can impact quarterly results. And while UiPath's shift from on-premise licenses to cloud subscriptions is the right long-term move, transitions like that can create short-term revenue pressure. Still, UiPath's strong cash position and focus on innovation give it the flexibility to weather those challenges. As always, execution and consistency are what matter most. So, what's the big picture? Automation is becoming the backbone of the AI economy, and UiPath is one of the companies leading that transformation. It combines powerful technology, strong customer loyalty, and a clear long-term vision. If UiPath continues to innovate, expand its AI capabilities, and deliver consistent results, it could become one of the key enterprise software winners of this decade. Of course, every investment carries risk, but UiPath's fundamentals make it one of the most promising automation names in the market. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Do you think UiPath will dominate the automation space, or will big tech catch up? Stay curious, stay informed, and remember, this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.